In this fourth unit, we are looking at cooking and reheating food. Cooking food thoroughly ensures that most bacteria are destroyed. Some industrial cooking processes involve high temperatures over 120 degrees Celsius to make sure bacteria and spores have been destroyed. Manufacturers' guidelines must be followed if a microwave oven is to be used. Recommended power levels and times should be treated only as a guide. A physical check of the core temperature must be taken. Food cooked in a microwave may be stirred partway through cooking to avoid cold spots forming, and recommended standing times should be followed after cooking. It is important to note food must be cooked to a minimum core temperature of 75 degrees Celsius for 30 seconds or 70 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. In Scotland, there is a legal requirement to ensure the temperature is at least 82 degrees Celsius when reheating food. Never reheat food more than once, and turn large items to ensure even cooking. You must thoroughly cook eggs, poultry, pork and mincemeat products. Stir liquids regularly to avoid cold spots forming. Cut food into smaller portions to achieve core temperatures more quickly.